Having repair problems? For a quick and easy fix of your household and industrial maintenance problems, PC Products, the permanent solution. Paste epoxies for heavy-duty permanent repairs. These are your choices for critical repairs. PC7 Heavy-Duty Paste Epoxy is our strongest and thickest epoxy. Where critical repairs are a must, this is the product of choice. PC7 has excellent adhesion and fill characteristics and will not drip or sag. Used for sealing, bonding, and filling voids. PC7 allows for about 1 hour of working time and cures for service overnight. It bonds to all surfaces except some plastics. PC11 Marine Grade White Non-Drip Epoxy Paste allows 30 minutes of work time and has excellent flexibility. PC11 is your choice for permanent repairs where color is a factor, or when bonding to wet surfaces. PC11 cures for service overnight and bonds to most surfaces except some soft plastics. Cures to an off-white color. PC Super Epoxy is our quick, magical, all-purpose paste epoxy. This translucent formula offers extreme strength and flexibility. PC Super Epoxy is great for the homeowner, hobbyist, and contractor. PC Super Epoxy will repair almost everything. The best all-around household repair product. PC Super Epoxy is also available in an injectable mixing system. Stair installers just love this product with the self-mixing system. PC Super Epoxy outperforms other household adhesives. Cures for service in just 3 to 4 hours. For ease of use and a quick, reliable repair, PC Fast and Easy is truly fast and easy. This translucent, self-mixing paste epoxy is the most flexible epoxy we offer, and the most flexible on the market. Simple to begin with. Just remove the tip and center cap, then push and twist the nozzle into place. Now you're ready to begin your repair. Depressing the plunger forces the epoxy to mix in the nozzle, and the fine tip allows for ease in directing the epoxy where needed. Remember to push and twist the nozzle into place. Almost any type of repair and application is possible with this easy-to-use epoxy. Household, arts and crafts, gardening, outdoors, even automobile-type repairs are taken care of fast and easy. PC Fast and Easy bonds to most surfaces and is waterproof after cure. No more mess and no more fuss with drippy and sloppy product. Fast and Easy truly does make the impossible easy. Fix it once, fix it right. Fix it fast and easy. PC Concrete is packaged in a self-mixing cartridge and is designed for anchoring and concrete repair. This easy mix system is great for the most demanding job applications, as well as for the do-it-yourselfer. It's simple to use and dispensable by using just a standard caulking gun. Simply unscrew the collar, remove the plug, insert the cartridge into a dispensing gun, then dispense a small amount of epoxy onto a disposable surface until equal amounts flow. This ensures equal mixing and allows this epoxy to accomplish the most demanding tasks. Not only is PC Concrete easy to use, it has the highest strength ratings. PC Concrete is 3 times stronger than concrete. Used for anchoring and concrete repair. You can use for anchoring sill plates, rebar, anchor bolts, rods and pins, as well as to patch concrete cracks both vertically and horizontally. PC Concrete will not shrink, so you can smooth it out as soon as you dispense the product. The first step in any application or repair, of course, is to make sure the area is clean. After drilling your holes, all dust must be cleaned out so that the epoxy can adhere to the surface. Cracks can be blown out, brushed, or vacuumed to remove dust and debris. With anchoring or inserting into a drilled hole, fill the hole halfway to the top with epoxy. Insert bolts, rods, or pins while twisting into the epoxy-filled hole. PC Concrete allows 20 minutes of working time. Bolt down can take place in about 4 hours, which varies slightly depending on temperature. PC Concrete can be applied to and will cure on wet and underwater surfaces. Whether you're using for a demanding job or just a demanding spouse, PC Concrete is your best choice for ease and reliability. PC Masonry is a no-slump two-part epoxy designed for rebuilding and patching masonry surfaces. PC Masonry can be applied with a trowel to repair and rebuild large areas of spalled and pitted concrete, and can be troweled to a very thin coating. PC Masonry is waterproof and can even be applied to wet surfaces. At 70 degrees Fahrenheit, the repair will cure in about 4 hours. Used for heavy traffic areas or to repair trip hazard problem areas. PC Extreme is a self-leveling crack and joint repair for concrete and blacktop. High flexibility allows PC Extreme to hold up to extreme changes in temperature with 82% elongation. All directions need to be followed. Shake product thoroughly. Sand or backer rod can be used to fill deep cracks to within a ½ inch of the surface, thus using less product. Shaving can take place within 30 minutes. Overfill the cracks slightly and shave to create a smooth transition. PC Extreme is designed to be applied in areas with extreme conditions and temperature. Application ranges from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether it be a driveway or commercial freezer, PC Extreme has you covered. PC Clear is a liquid, fast-curing epoxy. Used where a quick repair is required or where the clear color is a factor. PC Clear remains clear even after cured. PC Clear has a working time of just 4 minutes and cures in 4 hours. Clearly your choice for an invisible repair. PC Autobond Cold Weld Epoxy. PC Autobond is a self-mix or hand-mix system designed to be a rapid cold weld repair. It remains flexible, making it impact and shatter resistant after cured. Use with nozzle for a pinpoint application, or hand mix for a larger area of repair. The high tensile strength allows the user to make critical repairs with ease. PC Universal Glue is a part white, heavy-duty general-purpose glue that dries clear. Unlike polyurethane glues, PC Universal Glue does not foam or expand, allowing the user to achieve the greatest strength and still have thin glue lines. A 100% eco-friendly formula does not contain any harmful chemicals such as isocyanides or formaldehyde and is non-toxic. PC Universal Glue also contains no animal byproducts. The high solids content allows the user to achieve unparalleled strength and also can be diluted with water for projects that require less strength. You can dilute with 5 parts water to use as a sealant for masonry or drywall. PC Universal Glue is also available on a standard caulk cartridge and can be applied for large projects using any standard caulking gun. Whether you require a glue for arts and crafts projects or the most demanding woodworking applications, PC Universal Glue has you covered. Working time is about 10 minutes and dries tack-free in 1 hour. PC Universal Glue is absolutely the strongest single component glue available. Fix your things with PC products. Are you tired of loose wooden joints that wobble, squeak, or loosen over time? Looking for a chair repair solution that actually works? Tight Chairs quickly fixes those wooden joint problems. Just apply a few drops of Tight Chairs into the loose joint. Tight Chairs does not swell the wood, but is actually a super powerful adhesive with almost 4,000 psi of holding power. Not only is it super strong, Tight Chairs is also super thin. This means that it can penetrate loose joints in chairs and other furniture without having to take them apart. That means less time for the repair and less mess to clean up. When working with Tight Chairs, be sure to wear eye protection. Tight Chairs is not just for furniture. It works great on loose tool handles, staircase spindles, and dovetail joints, as well as rubber, metal, glass, and most ceramics. Insert wooden plugs and dowels or tighten existing. Fix a loose shoe sole. Reattach broken ceramic pieces. Attach just about anything to anything. Tight Chairs is a superior penetrating glue and can be used on hairline cracks and countertops and other surfaces where a crack needs to be stabilized. Tight Chairs sets in just a few minutes and can be used on any project where you would use a typical superglue, but Tight Chairs has more strength. These hand-moldable Putt Epoxies are designed for quick emergency repairs. They are your best choice for a broad range of household and industrial applications. All of the Putt Epoxies cure in 1 hour or less. PC Metal is a metal-filled epoxy for extremely quick repairs to all metal surfaces and is great for automotive repairs. PC Metal should be applied to clean, dry surfaces. Repair gas tanks, radiators, metal and steel doors, tools, pipes, and much more. PC Marine is a white marine-grade epoxy putty. PC Marine can be applied to wet, dry, and underwater surfaces that are clean and will also cure in these environments. Repair holes in fiberglass, PVC, boats, spas, hot tubs, swimming pools, and more. PC Plumbing is designed for quick emergency-type plumbing repairs. PC Plumbing is NSF certified safe for contact with potable water and should be applied to clean surfaces, wet or dry. Repair fiberglass, PVC, copper, cast iron, metal pipes, and more. PC Crete is designed for masonry repairs and made from real aggregate. PC Crete looks like real concrete. Fill in missing concrete on all masonry surfaces. Repair masonry, statues, bird baths, steps and curbs, and use for anchoring. PC Lumber is designed for quick emergency type wood repairs. PC Lumber has the look, feel, and density of real wood. Replace and reshape missing wood, and fill nail, screw, and knot holes. Sand, paint, or stain the cured epoxy in about 1 hour. PC Fahrenheit is designed for quick emergency type repairs on surfaces with elevated temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. PC Fahrenheit should be applied to clean, dry surfaces. Repair mufflers, engine blocks, barbecue grills, lawnmowers, stoves, steam pipes, and more. PC Pool Putt Epoxy is an off-white hand-moldable putty epoxy designed for quick repairs to tile, skimmers, gunite, concrete, and other surfaces commonly associated with swimming pools and spas. Works on wet, dry, and even underwater conditions in both freshwater and saltwater. PC Putt Epoxies for heavy-duty permanent repairs. These are your choices for critical repairs. The PC Products family of wood preservation and restoration products. Use these products to repair and protect new or existing wood, harden soft and rotted wood, and rebuild and repair missing wood. PC Petrifier Rotted Wood Hardener. PC Petrifier is a water-based, environmentally friendly, non-structural one-part liquid formulated to fully penetrate and revitalize rotted wood. PC Petrifier's low viscosity allows deep penetration into soft rotted wood fiber, restoring old wood to near structural integrity. Harden and restore rotted softwood fibers in windowsills, sashes, frames, trim, decorative beams, columns, and more. PC Petrifier can also be used to prepare weathered wood for priming and painting. Apply to exposed wood grain to protect from damage, not for structural repairs. If you have structural wood damage, consider using our PC Rot Terminator. PC Rot Terminator is a structural wood hardener designed to strengthen decayed or rotted wood. The mixture is a low viscosity liquid with slow cure, which allows for deeper penetration that penetrates porous surfaces, filling and sealing voids with an epoxy that cures to a hard but durable component. PC Rot Terminator combines an extended open time and low viscosity without the use of solvents, which may evaporate and cause shrinkage. DOT approved, zero VOCs. Use on interior or exterior projects. When it comes to restoring or repairing severely rotted and insect-damaged wood, Your product of choice is PC Rot Terminator, used for structural and decorative restoration, termite and insect damage, or marine wood such as boats and docks, as well as historically significant wood. PC Woody Epoxy Paste is a non-solvent, shape and form, non-shrink, non-crack, flexible paste epoxy. PC Woody is an epoxy paste designed to replace missing and rotten wood. Made from real wood, this flexible paste epoxy has structural strength greater than most wood. Use PC Woody for permanent repairs on all types of wood, exterior or interior. Unlike typical wood fillers, PC Woody is a permanent wood repair product. After cured, you can saw, drill, tap, screw, mold, sand, paint, or stain. PC Products has been making the impossible easy for 60 years. Just about any type of repair is possible with PC Products. Always look for the Fix Your Things and PC brands on the label for quality and products that really do work.